Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did these medium length square tip leopard print nails. I think they came out super cute. So if you guys want to see how I create these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for acrylic, I'm going to use my Valentino Beauty Pure, and this is in the shade Victoria number 6. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by applying that a little bit less than halfway down the nail. You guys, I'm finally getting the hang of like building an apex and my nails not being as flat. So that is what I'm going to be doing. And for the most part, I did like a 3-bead method. I find that this acrylic is really easy to work with, really up there in quality as far as like being beginner friendly. So this and Young Nails, my favorite so far. So if you haven't tried either one of these acrylics, I certainly suggest that you would try it out. And this acrylic has quickly become my favorite as far as the color. I love this color. I think it looks really good on dark skin. Again, it is by Valentino and it's Victoria's number 6. And I think I want to get it back up because it's just so good, you guys. Wait until I put the top coat on it. It's just so bomb. It looks really good by itself too, with like no design on top. Just so pretty. And for the brush, I'm still using my number 8 Kolinsky brush by Pana. Price has went up on this on Amazon, but I still think it's worth it. I still think it's cheaper than the what is their name? Oh, Alpha brushes. I think it's still cheaper than that. So I definitely suggest you try this brush. I will have it linked below. So these are what the nails look like after I filed them. And for my design, I'm going to be using these two colors from Born Pretty. I will have the direct names linked below. So this is actually a lid to one of my candles. I was going to buy like one of those fancy things that, you know, the little marble looking ones. But I was like, hey, this works just fine. So if you're looking for like a nail art tray, I definitely suggest just using a lid to your candle. So I'm going to use this brush that I got from Born Pretty store. Isn't it so pretty? Love it. It's nice and thin. So I'm going to use that. So I'm going to start off by putting dots on my nails just to like shape out these smile lines. And once that's done, I'm going to go with my Young Nails nail art brush and I'm going to start drawing my leopard print. So there's really no right or wrong way to do this. You just want them to be different shapes, different sizes. You don't want them to look uniformed at all, and then it's just going to look just not cute. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and just pretty much just freestyling it. Whatever looks like leopard print is what I'm going to draw, and then I'm going to go back in with the black and outline that. I did cure this before I went back in with the black, of course, because you don't want the colors to mix together. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing, drawing different shapes and sizes to make my leopard print nails. And as you can see, I'm making some parts thicker than the other, just so again it doesn't look all perfect. And I'm adding like little black dots in between the leopard print, just so you know it's not looking all cray cray. It's looking nice and not natural because it's blue, but it looks more realistic. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and doing the same thing on all my other fingers. Can you guys please just give me a thumbs up for short nails? Well, these are short to me. I was going back to work the next day, which my job is mad whack and they don't let me do um, fun stuff on my nails. But good news, you guys, today was my last day at that job, so I can do whatever, whenever I want to do to my nails. So thumbs me up for that. So I'm super excited. So yeah, I did some medium length nails for you guys because I know you guys, everyone doesn't like the long nails. So yeah, but I think these came out really cute. I love the blue. At first I was going to do different colors like rainbow, leopard print, but then I was just like, no, I want to do this blue, and I'm glad I did because I think it came out really cute. And if you guys have any suggestions for my channel, please leave them below. Specifically for nail videos, I feel like every time I ask that question, I get suggestions for like hair videos or like my makeup looks. But I feel like when I film those videos, nobody watches it. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys do still want makeup videos, I guess I'll do them if you guys want them. But I just don't want to do it if you guys aren't going to watch. So you guys let me know what you guys want to see, but I want to get back in the swing of things of filming my nail videos. So let me know down below what kind of nail videos you guys want to see. I have so many screenshots on my phone, but I feel like every time I sit down to do it, I realize there's something in my collection that I do not have to achieve the look. So I'm trying not to buy more nail things because I'm moving. I don't want to lug so much stuff across the country. So again, let me know down below what you guys want to see, and we can get this thing popping. And now I'm going to go with my new favorite top coat. This is also by Valentino. And this top coat is so good. It's not as thick as the IBD one, which I actually don't mind because I also thought that one was just way too thick. But I still liked it. But this one's just the right consistency. It leaves the nails super shiny. Like, just look how good that looks. It just makes the nails look so flawless. Like, whatever scratches the buffer doesn't get out. It's like, I don't know. It's just so good, you guys. I cannot describe it. I will have a link down below. I think you guys should definitely check it out. And yeah, you guys, I'm just obsessed. Okay, guys, and these are the finished nails. Don't they look cute? I just think they came out so cute. At first, I was a little nervous to do these nails because I thought they would like look a little childish. But I think these still look grown and cute and just flawless. I think I'm getting a lot better with my shaping. I did plan on leaving the shaping in the video, but for some reason, every time I go to shape my nails while I'm filing, it keeps going out of focus. So I don't know if I need a new camera or what. But I'm working on that, you guys. But thank you all so much for watching. I'm really happy to be back. I know it's been a minute since I last filmed, but I'm telling you guys, I'm back, okay? But thank you all so much for watching. Again, please leave me suggestions down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.